Sometimes the leads come into ActiveCampaign, but you want the leads to be shown inside a Google Sheet. It could be easier for you to maybe send it to someone else, or it could be easy for you to manage, because you can put comments, everything inside the Google Sheet instead of going to ActiveCampaign, right? And Google Sheet is easier to share out as well. So how do you connect ActiveCampaign to Google Sheet? So in this video, I'm going to show you how. There's this integration that can be done easily in ActiveCampaign. So let's jump into it. Let's go. Alright, let me show you where you can get the integration for Google Sheet here. Alright, go to apps. So I'm just going to show you something that you'll notice something. Right, you see there's the option here, popular apps. You can click on Google Sheet, and supposedly based on the tutorial given, they were supposed to have a button here for you to click as to integrate, right? But you're not able to do it here. But I'm going to show you another place where you can integrate this part, integrate Google Sheet to ActiveCampaign, right? So now you just go to automation, okay? Then you just create an automation. Just create a blank one, start from scratch. Add a trigger. So for the trigger, I want when subscribed to a list. So I'll just choose master contact list, right? Then you just click at start. So you can explore the tags and things like that. It's all up to you. So for now, you can send an email to them, send an SMS to them, or send an email. So for now, I want to, put them into Google Sheet before I send the email. So you can choose apps here, add row in Google Sheet. So you can click on here. You see, you must connect to Google Sheet before continuing. So let's just do the connection. Let's connect. So I'm going to choose allow, and alright, so the account is connected. So you click continue. So it's a spreadsheet. Okay, I'm going to choose ActiveCampaign. So this is the list that I've created for this video. Then you just have to click the sheet number 1, continue. Mapping, so they'll select a field between the ActiveCampaign and the Google Sheet. So just click on it. First name, column A, add, last name, column B. Just for example, let me just have another one. Okay, then you add more field mapping, email. Then you just have to put column C. Column C is email, column D is phone number. Then next is industry, right? So it depends on what field that you put inside the form. The fields that I have is these 4 fields: full name, email, phone number, and your industry. So that's why it is here, right? All you have to do is just click finish, and you click active. It should be linked, no problem. So now let's just go back to automation. Alright, just another brief tutorial. If you want to create a form, I show you how to create a form in one of my videos, so you can refer to the video to see how I create this form. But if you want to remove the field from the form, you have to go to the list. Alright, so you go click on the list, then you see here there's manage list, manage fields. You just go to manage fields. As you can see here, there's another field here which is your industry. You can click here and then just click edit or click delete. Right? To do that, then the field will be gone, and yeah, there'll be it. That's it. Right? So now let's test the automation. Right? When I click here, will it be connected to here? So now this method is totally free. If you want more complicated one, you should use Zapier, because Zapier got more automation, more ways to search and things like that. But this is a very simple way for you to immediately just connect the ActiveCampaign to Google Sheet without spending any additional software, any additional money. But for example, if you want more detailed one, more different kind of automation, then you have to use a third-party software like Zapier. Okay, now let's try this. Full name, for example, let's just type. Now you just click submit. Let's see, did it appear here? As you can see, it appears here immediately, right? One thing about phone number, you'll notice that if you put 0 in front, the 0 will be gone. So just be aware on that. What you can do is just format as plain text, right? So when it's 0 in front, then it don't have any problem. Okay, so that's how you can do it, right? So yeah, so that's how you can easily connect between ActiveCampaign and Google Sheet. And as you can see, it worked immediately. All right, thank you. Yep, so that's how easily you can connect between ActiveCampaign and Google Sheet. And if you like what I share, do give this video a thumbs up, like this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and don't know who am I, hi, I'm Ken, and I help business owners to grow using digital marketing. And if you're interested in topics such as digital marketing, entrepreneurship, do subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell so you don't miss any of my future video. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye!